Today I will talk about two things about Microsoft Word. The first thing is how to make the first letter of the paragraph large, and the second thing is how to customize your own style of the list. I already have the same document here without format. So to make the first letter large in Microsoft, it is the function called drop cap. So you go to the insert menu at the top menu, and you can find the drop cap over here. So that's the predefined drop cap styles. You can do drop cap option over here to make your own styles. So I will select dropped because I only have 3 lines of the paragraph. So lines to dropped, I only select 2. I also want it has space with the first character and the second character. So I make the distance from the text is 0.2. After doing that, you can double click the letter to highlight it and change the font from here. So normally we use bracket ITC, I think. You can also double click it. It is frame. Actually, it is frame. So you can double click the font and change the color of the font. So I will choose this one. Okay, that's it. So you can play with that and select different options. Next, I'll talk about how to define your own style of list. First, you highlight all the list text, and then you go to the home menu. You select bullets. That's the predefined list styles by Microsoft Office. Then, because these 2 lines are sublists of the container, so you do the sublist, you go to increase indent. And also, these 2 lines are sublists of audio courtesy. So you increase indents again, and those 5 lines, I think, those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines are sublist of video courtesy. So you increase indent again, and those 3 are sublist of frame rate. You can also do one more increase indent to make your own list, and you can click decrease indent to bring it back. So when you double click the first list, you can, when you go to the click the little arrow here, you can change the sample up here. When you highlight it, you can change the size of the sample. So I will make it 16, and also you can change the color of it. I make color like bright, right. And for the sublist, you can also change the styles of that. Define new bullets. You can go to sample. Then you select what font you want. So I will use Arrow Black, because in this one, drop to the bottom, you can find the happy face of a sunlight, of something that's very interesting. Okay, I will select happy face for that. Click OK. It will change the happy face. Then you can change the color for that, for example, and make the fonts same size as the top list. So in this case, you define your own styles of the list. When you create another list, for example, it will automatically format as the same way you just defined. Okay, thank you very much. Next, we'll talk something else about Microsoft Office Word. Bye bye.